Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time. Either way, I am super happy you're here. So actually it's been a little while. It's been a couple weeks since I got this Nailzinacoffin order, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys everything that I got, and I purchased the majority of these on my own, and then there was some freebies in there. So I just kind of wanted to go over how beautiful these were, how vibrant they are. Oh, I'm so in love with them. I cannot wait to use these. And I'm going to use some in a mani today, and I will get to that in a minute. But I just kind of, oh, these Sasquatch ones are so cute. Can't wait to use those. I really should do a mani with those soon. Getting ideas right now. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, so I love Nailzinacoffin. I am an ambassador for them. I do have a discount code. That's just for you guys. I don't make anything off of it. So if you want to go pick up some stuff, you can save with my code. I will put that on the screen right now. It will also be linked in my description box along with all my other discount codes. So to continue on, and I do apologize for the background noise. My dog's in here, although she is sound asleep, and my cat was trying to, she has one of those feeders, those like gravity feeders, and so she was trying to get some in the bowl, so she was making some noise. These ones are right up my alley. Purple, love, love, love. And then there's these. So these are what I'm going to use today, and I have this blue, and I felt like it matched perfectly. And I will let you guys know in advance that I do my decals, and then I was so just burnt out and tired. It was really cloudy, and I really wanted to get pictures outside, so I was like, okay, I'll wait and take pictures tomorrow. And then that night, the night that I did these, I chipped my middle finger, and so I had to redo it, and I was doing a mani the next day, so I was going to end up taking it off anyway. So I didn't want to do a full new decal, so you'll notice in the pictures at the end and probably the thumbnail that it's a little different than what I showed on video, and that's just because when I redid the middle finger, I kind of did something different. I used the same decal, but you'll see at the end that it's a little different, and I didn't, you know, the application process for that one is in here, but it's basically the same thing except I added some striping tape. Okay, I am yapping a lot. It's too early in the morning to talk this much for me. I'm gonna let you guys watch my dip application. I do only show one dip, and then I likely only show one dip of the clear, or I may not show any because I do clear cap the decals after I'm done with them. So we will find out soon what I do though. All right, I will be back.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot, Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds, they'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So oddly enough, I showed you guys clear capping all my nails, which I typically don't do, but that's okay. So we're going to activate, and I always activate the lighter nails first, especially if I have white, just in case any pigment transfers, although I usually do not have that problem as long as I clear cap, which I always clear cap. So we are activating, and then after this, I will file and buff off camera like I normally do. And then we will get into the decal application, which is coming up in just a second. And I just wanted to say, like, if you're new and you don't know what I'm doing, I do use the odorless liquid. So when I clear cap, I usually just go through and just make sure that all the clear pigment is like really saturated in there. So that's why I kind of pat the nail. It helps so I don't get any cloudiness, and I never do anymore. So I was having a little problem with that for a while. So anyway, we're going to use the Crazy Girl Stuck. At this point, you guys know how much I love this stuff, especially for full stamps or full decals. You can also chrome with it. You can use transfer foil with it. This stuff is amazing. So, and that will be linked and all that good stuff. So I'm going to cut out around the decal, try to get rid of any of that excess so that I have less to clean up, although, you know, my nails are not as long as these, so I do have a lot of cleanup to do. But I have a pretty good system down, which we will get to in a minute. I do leave all that in so you guys can see kind of how I go about cleaning it up. And then this is something I saw, I don't know, like a year ago. And finally I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. Because when I use full cover decals, I do get a little bit of like wrinkling in there. So I just kind of cut around the outside, and oh my gosh, I had literally zero wrinkling. Like any wrinkling that was in there, I was able to flatten down super, super easy. So on the next one, I don't do as many cuts, and it still worked as good. So I'll show you on the next one that I do less cuts, and that worked perfect. So that's probably what I will do in the future for full cover decals. And it worked amazing. Like I said, no wrinkling. So this is just a little jar of acetone and then a cleanup brush, and I'm just going to go around and get everything nice and cleaned up, and then I will do the other decal. And I don't believe I leave the cleanup of the other one in. It's the same exact process. So I didn't think it was necessary to see the cleanup of the same thing twice in a row. So I'm going to let you guys watch, and I will be back.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Oh, I love how these decals turned out. So we are going to, and I'm going to try, I'm so afraid of ruining a decal. I'm going to try clear capping without them once and see what happens. Sorry, that's not what I meant. Without this, okay, I'm going to try not doing the smudge-free top coat. It just adds an extra step and an extra wait time, because basically I let it dry for 5 minutes before I go in and clear cap. But I'm so afraid of ruining the decal, because I will buff after I add the clear cap and after I activate, and I just, with that extra layer of the smudge free top coat, it just has an extra layer of protection when I buff. But if I could take that step out, that would be kind of cool. I just am kind of afraid to do it, so I will try that in an upcoming video and we will see how that goes. But anyway, I'm going to, so I activated, did not file, I just buffed, and now I'm activating again, and then we'll top coat. And I am just so thrilled with how these decals turned out. The color is just so vibrant and beautiful. So 2 minutes after the activator, wipe with a lint-free wipe, and I do have some swipe solution on this. You can also use alcohol. Either one is going to work fine. And we will do 3 quick swipes. And then right after that, we will immediately go into our second dip top coat, which, you can take your time. You can cap the free edge. Sorry about my voice. I am like a little bit congested. I don't think I'm sick. My allergies are just kind of flared up, and the weather here is so weird. It was like 80s for 2 weeks, and then yesterday was cold and rainy and cloudy, and it's just, I don't know. I don't think my allergies like it very much, and it was really windy, so it was probably just kind of blowing all that pollen and stuff everywhere. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that the decal application was helpful. If you guys struggle with that, I do a lot of decal application here. I also do a lot of stamping here. If there's anything you guys want to see me do that you are struggling with, hopefully I know how to do it, but just send me a message, and you can reach me on Instagram, or you can send me a message here, or you can just comment below the video and let me know. And I would love to do videos of what you guys want to see if this isn't what you're wanting to see. Anyway, thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would be super grateful if you would be part of this little group that I have and this nail journey of mine. And have a beautiful day. I will see you guys in the next one.
Step 1, wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations.